So basically I was fishing over there about 70 yards or so, and I moved to this spot because I didn't get a bite, I didn't get anything, so we're gonna try this spot out and see if it works. Got one. Right there. First bite, it's only been about 5 minutes here, and I already caught one. I just caught my second brim out down here, so let's get him back in the water. So I think that's about it. We didn't really get too many bites today, but I just had to get out on the water because tomorrow it's supposed to rain all day, so I had to get some kind of fishing in since basketball just ended and I haven't fished in a while. So hopefully you like this video. I've got a bunch of other things planned, but I know we didn't catch any bass or anything, but at least we caught some brim. So hope you liked the video, and if you did, leave a thumbs up. Also subscribe and tell your friends to watch the channel. Because once we hit 1,000 subscribers, I have a big challenge thing that I'm going to be doing every single week. And no other YouTube has ever done it, because I've looked and nobody's ever done it, but I'm going to do it as soon as we hit 1,000. So subscribe, thumbs up, and peace.
Yes. Stop.
It moved a little to it. Maybe put one in the front. Or no, I don't want to do anything. Look at all this mud.
Try going forward a little, then back. Rock it. Go forward, then go reverse real quick. Now back. Okay, stop.
Alright, well, I kind of got my truck stuck, and I don't have mud tires, so it's really stuck. Got it a little bit muddy, but yeah, this is the situation. I mean, we were just catching brim, and now, look what happened. Dang. I'll keep y'all updated on what's going to happen, so, well, I'll see you in a minute. Well, my truck is completely stuck. We had to call a tow truck, and the tow truck got stuck, so he's getting himself out. But my truck is still stuck. You can't really see it because it's pitch black out here. Like, you can't see anything. But the tow truck is getting himself unstuck. Then he's going to figure out how to get me unstuck. And then we'll update you from there. So, bye. Dude, how high are your boots? We just got home and it is pretty muddy. So tomorrow morning I'll show you it, but I think this is it for the video. So I hope you liked the video. This is my second outro, but I hope you liked the video. And please leave a thumbs up and subscribe. And comment what you think about this video. And that's about it, so peace.